Happy day to you, children. Hope you're all staying safe at your home. In this session, we are going to see composition. First one, dialogue writing, and number two is article writing. Okay, we'll see one by one clearly. Okay, let's get into the topic. First one, dialogue writing. Dialogue writing means it's a conversation between two or more than two people. Okay, these are some points to remember. Have to understand the topic well and make points. Have to understand the question well. Okay, for example, have to write the conversation between salesman and customer means you have to collect points. Okay, then second one you have to maintain the tense. Okay, then it should seem a natural conversation. It should be like a natural conversation. While reading that dialogue writing, it seems like a natural thing. It was happening in real. Okay, the words used should be clear. The words should be clear and it should convey the message clearly. Okay, it should not vague. Okay, it should convey the message. The words should be clear. Is that clear, my dear children? Then, article writing. An article writing is a kind of writing that is written to reach huge audience with the help of press. Okay, listen, children. Article is a kind of writing and it should reach the large number of audience. Okay, and with the help of press means we will release the article in the newspaper or magazine. Okay, in the case of article writing, the press refers to a publishing house. Press is referred as a publishing house of newspaper or magazine, journalist, etc. Writing newspaper article or writing a magazine article is not easy. It's very difficult process because it requires lots and lots of research. Okay, and writing skill also. Okay, and you should have lots of writing skill. You have to have good writing skill. Okay, it is written in such a way that it can inform the mass about the certain topic. It should contain lots and lots of information about the topic. Okay, it should contain more information. Okay, it should not vague. Okay, it have to give lots and lots of information. Is that clear, children? Then the main aim of the writer here is to bring some difference in the world by changing the views of the people through the article writing. Okay, if the writer gives the article means it should change the views that already people have. Okay, that much it should be effective and it should contain that much effective information. Clear, my dear children? Now we will see the book exercise, page number 102. Look at the picture, circle the dangerous action of pedestrian on or near the road. Discuss in groups and write down the pedestrian road safety rules. So, pedestrian road safety rules means regarding crossing the road. That is about zebra crossing. Clear, my dear children? See, in this picture you can see the circled things. That is a wrong way of crossing the road. While crossing, you have to use zebra crossing. Okay. In between, you should not cross the road as such. Clear, my dear children? You have to cross only in zebra crossing. Is that clear, my dear children? You have to see both the sides of the road and you have to know all the signs, signals, road safety signs. Clear, my dear children? You should not run on the streets and roads. Clear. You have to know all the road signs, yeah, safety signs. Clear. While walking, you have to use the sidewalks. Okay. You should not walk in the road. You have to use the side paths. Clear, my dear children. And you have to cross only at zebra crossing. You should not cross the road as such wherever you want. Okay. You have to use zebra crossing. You know what is zebra crossing, right? The white and black lines. Okay, in between the roads you can see that. Clear, my dear children? Then Page number 103. A set of words are given below. Categorize it under the appropriate columns. Okay. Here they gave some words, you have to categorize in that columns. Okay. You all know these words. Some words you don't understand. Let me tell you. Okay. Pilot you all know. Then passport, that also you know. Air hostess you know. Visa you know. Cocktail is a drink. Okay. Then engine driver you know. Compartment in train you know that, right? TTE means the train person who checks the ticket. Okay. Platform porter, that and all you know. Clear, my dear children? Porter means the person who carries the goods. You can see in railway station, right? Some people used to carry our things for money. Those people are called porter. Then crew means the whole group of a person who sails in a ship. Okay. Anchor means which used to stop the train. Okay. In Tamil we used to call it as Nanguram. Okay. Then helmsman means the person who steers the ship, which means who drives the ship. Okay. In a Titanic movie you can see the people will steer the ship. Okay. Like steering. Okay, right? They will turn the steering. That is called those person is called helmsman. Captain, the chief, the head of the ship, leader of the ship, one who commands the workers, the sailors. Okay. Those persons will follow the captain's commands. Okay. Deck, DECK, deck means the floors of the ship. Clear, my dear children? Here I categorized this you have to copy in your book. With pencil you have to copy in your book. Is that clear, my dear children? Thank you. Have a nice day.